Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a GMC Acadia. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your Acadia is parked on a completely level and firm surface. Engage the parking brake firmly, and for extra security, place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you plan to lift. This prevents any unexpected movement. For the front of your Acadia, you have a couple of reliable jacking points. The most common central point is the front crossmember, a sturdy metal beam located directly behind the engine. If you're lifting one side, look for the reinforced pinch welds just behind the front wheels. Always ensure your jack saddle is fully contacting the designated point to distribute the weight evenly and prevent damage. Moving to the rear, you can typically find a central jacking point on the rear subframe, often near the differential. If you're lifting one side, the reinforced pinch welds located just in front of the rear wheels are your go-to spots. It's crucial to avoid jacking on any suspension components, the exhaust system, or the fuel tank, as these are not designed to support the vehicle's weight and could be severely damaged. Once your jack is correctly positioned, slowly raise the vehicle until the tire you're working on is completely off the ground. Now, the most critical step. Place your sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, close to your jacking points. Gently lower the Acadia onto these stands, ensuring it's stable before you begin any work. Remember to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Always double-check stability before getting under the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.